Welcome to Smart Stock Watch, your go-to channel for in-depth financial analysis. Today is February 18th, 2026, and we're diving into Republic Services' recently released fourth quarter and full year 2025 earnings report. Joining us is Jon, a senior analyst from Smart Stock Watch. Jon, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me. Republic Services, a leader in the environmental services industry, has just released their earnings, and there's a lot to unpack. Let's get started.
Revenue and profitability overview. Let's start with the top line. Republic Services reported a revenue of $4.136 billion for the fourth quarter, with a net income of $545 million. Jon, how does this compare to their performance last year?
Republic Services has shown a steady growth in revenue, with a 2.2% increase in the fourth quarter compared to last year. Their net income margin also expanded by 50 basis points, reflecting improved profitability. For the full year, they achieved a 3.5% revenue growth, which is quite commendable given the market conditions.
And what about their earnings per share?
The adjusted earnings per share for the fourth quarter came in at $1.76, which is an 11.4% increase over the prior year. This exceeded the analysts' forecast of $1.62, showcasing their strong financial management and operational efficiency.
Operational efficiencies and future outlook. Republic Services has also reported an adjusted EBITDA of $1.30 billion for the fourth quarter. How does this reflect on their operational efficiencies?
The adjusted EBITDA margin increased by 30 basis points to 31.3%, indicating that Republic Services is effectively managing its costs and improving its operational efficiencies. This is a positive sign for investors as it suggests sustainable profitability.
Looking ahead, what can we expect from Republic Services in 2026?
For 2026, Republic Services has provided a revenue guidance range of $17.50 billion to $17.150 billion and an adjusted EPS guidance of $7.20 to $7.28. This outlook is supported by their strategic investments and pricing strategies, positioning them well for continued growth.
Strategic investments and shareholder returns. Republic Services has been active in strategic investments and returning value to shareholders. Can you elaborate on their activities in 2025?
In 2025, Republic Services invested $1.1 billion in value-creating acquisitions and returned $1.6 billion to shareholders through dividends and share repurchases. This demonstrates their commitment to growth and shareholder value.
And what are their plans for 2026 in terms of acquisitions?
For 2026, they plan to invest approximately $1 billion in acquisitions. This aligns with their strategy to expand their market presence and enhance their service offerings, which should drive long-term value.